online selling stuffs on Amazon. How you doing, guys? It's your boy Two to the BLEWS. Too blessed, that's what they call me. And I just want to say thank you for taking out the time for checking out this video. I really appreciate that. I'm not taking that for granted at all. I'm so sorry about this noise that is coming in right now. You know, the fan is running so fast and there's a noise coming from the sitting room. So that's why you're hearing all this noise that is coming right now. But notwithstanding, guys, so if you are new to this channel right now, pause this video right now. Click the red button below right now to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification beside it so you can be notified when I release any video online whatsoever on this channel. And don't forget to like this video. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes today, and it cannot happen except by you. You are the one that can make this happen right now by liking this video right now, sharing it by clicking the share button down below right now. Share it on your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Share it on all the social media platforms with your friends and loved ones so that they can also benefit from this video. And also comment down below this video right now. Ask me any question whatsoever. Ask me any question, appreciate me, say thank you. I just want you to leave a comment down below this video right now. Don't leave this page without commenting down below this video right now. That will really help this channel to grow fast and for this video to really happen. I would really appreciate that, guys. So let's get down into business. Let me show you what we're going to be doing here right now. So guys, here a bunch of courses that I have on this list right now. These are tons of courses. This is Gary V course, this is Tyler Pest, this is Sam Ovens, this is Grant Cardone, these are bunch. This is Frank Akshay, this is Dino Gomez, this is David Struggle. These are courses in different age, in Shopify, in real estate, in digital marketing, in Amazon FBA, in Facebook ad, in Google AdWords, in YouTube course, ranking your YouTube channel. This is Grant Cardone in real estate, guys. All these courses are here. There are tons of them. Look at them. Look at them. There are tons of these courses. This is Gary Vee courses. A bunch of them in there right now. There are a bunch of these courses, of these Gary Vee courses, and I can see them. Guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so I don't want to waste time at all. This is Tyler Pest course right now. A bunch of these courses here right now. So, and because of what this video that I'm doing is all about, this is Amazon FBA. This is going to teach you how to make money on Amazon selling stuff online. This is the ABC step by step from how you can register and everything right now. This is a course from module 1 to about module 16. This course is awesome. It also teaches you how you can run Facebook ads with your Amazon FBA. Guys, see, this is amazing. This is awesome. So you can get this course right now. I'm going to give you this full course right now. This course on Amazon FBA, just this one alone, or any other one that you want here right now for just $10. Just pick one of these course and I'll give you it for just $10. I'm doing this alone because of the guys that I know that they can afford what this course are going for. This course are selling from $100 to about $2,000. That's how much this course are selling for. But if you know you can afford it, go to these guys, buy it from them. But if you can't afford it for just $10, pick any one of these courses. And I'm going to give you this course right now for just $10. So guys, let's get down to business. Let me take you to the video while we are here right now. So here is why we're here right now. This is Amazon. You come to Amazon right now. What are the things? How can you make money selling stuff on Amazon? There are tons there. There's literally anything you can sell on Amazon. You can sell an ebook on Amazon. You can sell t-shirt on Amazon. If you type ebook on Amazon right now, Amazon is going to give us a bunch of ebook that we can start selling on Amazon right now. We can start selling a bunch of ebook on Amazon. In the previous video that I did past, I show you how you can sell, how you can spy on t-shirt that are selling on Amazon and go and design that same t-shirt. You can also go and design that same t-shirt, just change a little thing about it and come and sell it on Amazon. Guys, I'm sorry, this is taking time, man. My internet is not good at all today. Today is not a good day for my internet, man. It's really slowing down right now. But notwithstanding, so guys, because you can sell anything on Amazon right now. So like I said, just these two examples I want to give you right now. Literally, there's nothing you can sell on Amazon. So let's say you want to pick either a t-shirt or an ebook on Amazon and it's for free. You can sell this thing on here for free. So guys, you can come to Fiverr, come and get this, guys. I don't know whatever it is you want to sell. Either you want to sell t-shirts or you want to sell ebook right now. You can just come here, just type ebook. You just type ebook there. It's gonna bring guys, going to be people that can help you design. There are other tons of other sites also that you can go. There is old there is paper hour. You can go and get guys that can help you write ebook right now. They're going to help you write ebooks for less than $50, $100. It depends on how high and how quality and how much you want the book to be about. So guys, they're going to help you write this ebook. I'm so sorry, right guys, this is really taking time, man. Can you see how long this is taking time to load? Oh man, I'm so sorry. And I just want to show you these guys that they can help you write this book right now. They help you write the ebook right now, and you can come to Amazon and come and list the book on Amazon. Guys, this is as simple as that. Come and list the ebook on Amazon. I know guys that are selling thousands of ebooks on Amazon already. Guys, look at these are these are ebooks. You see, these are ebooks that are selling on Amazon already. These are ebooks, and you can get. You don't have to write this ebook yourself, guys. You can get this ebook made for you on Fiverr, Old Eggs, Paper Hour, on other freelancer.com. You can get all this. You can get an ebook like this made for you. All you just need to tell these guys on here on other websites, I need you to write an ebook about how to be a professional singer. And these guys are going to do their research, and they're going to help you write this ebook. And you take this ebook, you can also still associate it for somebody to help you list the book on Amazon at the same time. You don't even have to do any of this by yourself. You don't even have to list it. If you have money to give out to these guys, just come to them. They're also going to help you to list this ebook out for you, and you don't have to touch anything, guys. That's I don't want this video to be less than to be too long. I will have shown you some of the ebook, how much they are selling. People who are selling thousands of dollars on ebooks every month, and this guy had not just one, they have 10, they have 100, they have thousands of ebooks on this Amazon already, and that's how they make tens of thousands of dollars every month. Because the more ebooks you have on here, the more money they're going to be making. Guys, can you see how slow my system is? So guys, this is it. Up to 100 pages in $10 only. See, look at this is so cheap. Say I will do ebook format. Okay, this is just ebook formatting. This is ebook formatting. Some will say that we write. Let's look for somebody who can write professional lead magnet ebook. I will write a lead magnet ebook. Our studio. I will design your ebook or lead magnet. I will create PDF ebook, interior design, free flipbook. Guys, you just come here, guys. There are guys that are going to help you write ebook on here right now. They're just here. They're going to help you write ebook. Just come to them and just see. Some of them are very. I will illustrate and design an ebook. This is how much they are. I will go write your professional German and English ebook page. See, this one is German person, modern professional PDF ebook layout. This one is ebook layout. This one I will write best-selling German ebook, unique content. This one is writing German. This one is a German. This one is writing German ebook for you. So guys, if you search on this site, you see people who can help you write ebook. It's just there are thousands of them on this place. And you can also go to aide.com, you can go to freelancer.com, you can go to paperhour.com. You also see thousands of other people who can help you write this ebook. And all you just need to do is when you finish writing this ebook, you can just bring it to search for some video on YouTube. Tell them and I'll teach you how to list your ebook. If I'm going to show you that right now. I don't even have the ebook that we can sell, so I will show you that right now. But guys, just come here, list the ebook on here, and you can start selling the ebook. If it's t-shirt also that you want to do, all you just need to do is just type also here right now. Type ebook and type t-shirt design. Type t-shirt design right there. You see guys that can help you design the graphics for your t-shirt. See, guys are designing t-shirts for $5, $10, $20. Look at the logo, professional design. They help you design this logo. Bring this logo to Amazon. Put the logo on Amazon shirts. Put the logo there when they accept you, and you can start selling your shirts on Amazon. Guys, this is so simple that you can start doing right